I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Okay, so we just ditched Izzy and Erin because they're back at some like cafe, and we're going to walk around and take pictures, so I'll insert a lot of the pictures that we took. So yeah.
Here, when I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares.
We just went to dinner at some spaghetti place.
Pretty good. The old house of spaghetti.
And now we're going to like
it's the buses.
the buses, and then we're going to some theater thing, and then we're going back to the hotel after. But yeah.
The vlog.
Okay, so it's the second day, and we're going to breakfast now. So yeah.
Erin.
Through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
We're going down this elevator right now.
Really cool. It's so
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
It's right there, yeah. That little green door.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Lighter than just a time, just like another season.
We just got our sweatshirts and we're going to eat after this. We're just walking around before. We don't have much time left before we leave to go back to Holden. Okay, we just finished eating and I got something at some chocolate place. And now we're gonna be late for the bus, so we're running because we have to get back home. Oh my god, we're gonna be late.
You came into